Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over turn your old phone into a money-making machine. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over selling your old phone, repurposing your old phone, and donating or recycling for good. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Introduction. In today's tech-driven world, we often find ourselves upgrading our devices more frequently than we need to. As a result, old phones tend to pile up in drawers, collecting dust and taking up space. But what if I told you that these forgotten gadgets could actually become a source of income? In this video, we'll explore the exciting possibilities of turning your unused smartphones into cash. The purpose of this video is to highlight the financial benefits of repurposing these devices, which can range from selling them online to using them for side hustles. With the right strategies, you can unlock hidden value in your old phones and make some extra money. We understand that many people are unsure where to start, and that's why we're here to help. Here, we will share practical tips and strategies that are easy to follow, ensuring that you can take action right away. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or boost your income, this video will provide you with the insights you need to make the most out of your old phones. So let's dive in and discover how you can turn those forgotten devices into a profitable venture. Assessing your old phone's value. Before you dive into selling or repurposing your old phone, it's essential to assess its value accurately. Several factors can significantly affect a phone's resale price, including the brand, model, age, and overall condition. For instance, flagship models from popular brands like Apple and Samsung typically hold their value better than lesser-known brands. Additionally, a phone in excellent condition, free from scratches and functional issues, will fetch a higher price than one that shows signs of wear and tear. To help you determine your phone's worth, there are numerous online tools and platforms available. Websites like Gazelle, Swappa, and eBay provide valuable insights into current market prices based on similar listings. Simply input your phone's details and you'll receive an estimated value that can guide your selling decision. Before you make any moves, it's crucial to gather as much information as possible about your device. Researching its specifications, checking recent sales, and understanding market trends will empower you to make informed choices. By taking the time to assess your old phone's value, you can maximize your potential earnings and ensure a successful selling experience. Selling your old phone. Once you've assessed the value of your old phone, it's time to sell it effectively. There are several popular platforms where you can list your device, including eBay, Swappa, and Facebook Marketplace. Each platform has its own audience, so consider where your phone might attract the most interest. Creating an appealing listing is crucial for attracting potential buyers. Start by taking high-quality photos from multiple angles, ensuring good lighting to showcase your phone's condition. Include close-ups of any unique features or accessories that come with the device. In your description, be honest and detailed. Mention the model, storage capacity, and any wear and tear. Highlight any standout features that might entice buyers, such as a recent software update or included accessories. When it comes to pricing, aim for a balance between attracting buyers and maximizing your profit. Research similar listings to gauge competitive pricing and consider starting slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. Offering a fair price based on your phone's condition and market demand will help you sell quickly while still making a profit. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling your old phone. Repurposing your old phone. If selling your old phone isn't the right option for you, there are plenty of creative ways to repurpose it for profit. One popular idea is to turn your old phone into a security camera. With apps like Alfred or Manything, you can easily set up your device to monitor your home, providing peace of mind while generating a useful function from an unused gadget. Another innovative use is transforming your phone into a digital photo frame. By downloading apps that cycle through your favorite images, you can display cherished memories in a stylish way. This not only gives your old phone a new life, but also adds a personal touch to your home decor. Additionally, consider using your old phone to generate income through various apps. Survey and task completion apps like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars allow you to earn money by sharing your opinions or completing simple tasks. Encourage yourself to think outside the box when it comes to repurposing your device. Whether it's using it as a dedicated music player, a GPS for your car, or even a remote control for smart home devices, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your creativity and find innovative uses that can benefit you and your lifestyle. Donating or recycling for good. When it comes to dealing with old phones, donating or recycling them can have significant benefits, both for you and the community. Donating your device not only helps those in need, such as low-income families or individuals, but it can also provide you with potential tax deductions. Many organizations accept phone donations and can issue receipts for your contributions, making it a win-win situation. On the other hand, if you choose to recycle your old phone, there are eco-friendly options available that can also yield some financial return. Many electronic retailers and manufacturers offer recycling programs that allow you to trade in your old device for store credit or cash. This not only helps you declutter, but also ensures that your phone is disposed of responsibly, minimizing its impact on the environment. It's essential to consider the broader impact of your choices on the planet. E-waste is a growing concern, and by donating or recycling your old phones, you contribute to reducing landfill waste and promoting sustainable practices. Encouraging viewers to think about their environmental footprint can inspire them to make choices that benefit both their wallets and the world around them. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored several practical methods to profit from your old phones, ensuring that you can make the most out of those unused devices. From selling them on popular platforms like eBay and Swappa to creatively repurposing them as security cameras or digital photo frames, there are numerous ways to generate income. We also discussed the benefits of donating or recycling your old phones, highlighting how these actions can help those in need while being eco-friendly. Now it's time for you to take action. Take a moment to explore your own collection of unused tech and consider how you can turn them into a source of income or contribute to a good cause. Whether you choose to sell, repurpose, or donate, every action counts. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from turning their old phones into cash or creative solutions. Together, we can make the most of our technology while positively impacting our lives and the environment. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care